Well, good morning to our distinguished guests today, especially Bapa Maman Abdul Rahman, the Minister. Thank you very much, Bapa, for your support. Pak Nezar Patria, Waman Komdiji, Ambassador Sandeep Chakravarti, the Ambassador of India, and all the other guests, including Ibu Shinta, Pak Ilham, Dr. Sharma, Koshi. Sorry if I don't mention everybody one by one. But first of all, I would like to welcome you to the 12th Indonesia Economic Forum. We have been around for 12 years, and I think we are one of the longest standing conferences in Indonesia. It's my privilege, therefore, to have a special event today. Not only is it a conference on digital, but it's also about talking about something very essential to what Indonesia needs. I'll give you a little context. Indonesia by nature, as you know, is an archipelago. And that's why the term for the theme today is the digital archipelago. What do we mean by this? We have 17,000 islands, we have diverse cultures, but we have unequal access and we have fragmented markets. So if you remember, for the last 30, 40, 50 years, we've always talked about our challenge being physical connectivity. But today, our challenge, and I changed the word, it's not challenge, our opportunity is digital connectivity. How do we ensure that every island, every city, every kabupaten, every regency, and every village can participate meaningfully in Indonesia's digital economy? That's the opportunity that we are here to discuss today. Digital infrastructure is no longer about speed or scale, but it's about inclusion. That's the key word, inclusion, interoperability, and trust. If we can achieve these three words, we have a digital economy for all. And this is what we say when the digital archipelago is not a centralized platform, but it's a network of platforms, a network of networks. What we are doing here today is to interconnect everybody who's already there. We are not creating something new. We are looking at what is existing and interconnecting them, making it interoperable. And that is something remarkable because we are connecting digital payments, logistics, e-commerce, etc., in order to create financial inclusion. But we must also recognize the hard truth. This is not easy. Much of this growth has been uneven. You see big cities, big towns, they have gone ahead, leaving behind many who are not able to participate. And when I say leaving behind, I specifically say UMKM, MSME sector. They are the reason for us to put together this whole program today, which is why we have Minister Maman here with us to talk about how the importance of connecting each and every UMKM in the country will be a game changer. And he will be talking more about that today. So this forum today is important because it's a curtain raiser to a national program, a national priority. And as some people like to say, a gerakan. How can this be a gerakan where everybody comes together? Apindo, the media, the ministry, the various institutions come together to create something meaningful for our citizens of Indonesia. And this is where I believe we can work together starting from an important date, which is the 5th of February, 2026. So ladies and gentlemen, Indonesia's journey to Indonesia Emas 2045 will not be achieved by any one person, one institution, or a sector. It will be achieved through collaboration, working together, government, industry, startups, associations, global partners, civil societies, working together to build digital Indonesia. And today we are fortunate to have a lot of technology players in the room who have come from various parts of the world, showing their commitment to work with Indonesia to build what we could say is truly the digital archipelago. Thank you very much. And I look forward to a meaningful afternoon, as well as morning with all of you. And thank you. Over to the MC.
Thank you very much, Mr. Sajin V. Gopalan.